You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. Right now, the market is trading at 26.8k, and on ETH chart, the market is trading at 1.8k. If you look at this very area on BNB, you see the market is already moving to the upside with this very candle. So what are we expecting on this very one-day chart BTC? Is the market going to break this very area and come back right down? Because I am still expecting this divergence on the MACD indicator. Is it going to happen? All of these and more in today's video. Watch this video till the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also, check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and don't forget to share this video. I have been talking about divergence on this chart, and I said there is a potential divergence that is coming to the market right now. If you look at the MACD indicator and you connect from here up to this very area on this very indicator, you see the market is reducing momentum to the upside from this area. And another thing I want you to pay attention to is a crossover between the MACD line and the signal line at this very point. Once we see a crossover right here, then the market is going to move to the upside. And we also want to see the MACD histogram start formation on the positive side of the MACD. Once we see these two indications, then the market is going to begin to move to the upside. And you have to pay attention to this very line on the chart, because a breakdown to this very area, that means if you see a bearish candle that close below this very line, then market is going to move down to this level of 24 and 25k dollars on the chart. So this is what I am expecting. I am still paying attention to the market moving to the upside from this very area where the market is, because of this potential divergence that I am expecting. And once I confirm this divergence on the chart and on the indicator, then the market is going to move to the upside, and I'm going to give a trade in the various groups. If you are not in any of our groups, please check the description of this video. You see a link to our general WhatsApp group. And if you look at the 4-hour chart here, you see the market is spiking to the upside. Okay, then if you look at this very area, we have a very significant support at this point. We have support here and we have support at this very area. Then market is trying to move to the upside. I am expecting the market to move to the upside. That means we could see BTC begin to climb a little bit to the upside, and then a breakout here will be very important. If we see a breakout at the level of resistance, the market is going to from here move to the upside, and that will be in line with what I am talking about on the one-day chart about this divergence. If you look at this very area on the 4-hour chart BTC, market should move to the upside in the next coming days. And on ETH, this very ETH chart, two areas to watch right now is this very area of resistance and this level of support. We have support right here, we have support at this area, we have support at this area, we have support right here, and we have support at this point. So we have resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, and we have resistance here. Market spike from here, and then we have another resistance at this very point. And if you look at it very well, market is ranging right now between two horizontal boundaries. So the best thing to do is to wait for a breakout. So market can either break out on the resistance or break out on the support. What I am expecting is for the market to break out on this level of resistance and begin to move to the upside. And one significant thing you need to watch out for is a significant bullish candle that closes above every other close within this area of resistance. Once we see that significant bullish candle, the market is going to move to the upside after the breakout. So this is what I am paying attention to right now on ETH, on the very short time, and on BNB USDT. I am expecting this market to move to the upside on the long run. Market from this area is a key support level. We have support at this very point, we have support here, we have support at this area, and then we have support at this point. Market is moving a little bit out of the support level, so if we see the market begin to move right here, then this market will continue this movement to the upside. This is what I am expecting right now on the chart. So pay attention to this very area where the market is right now on BNB. What do you think about the market on BTC 1-day chart? Will this potential divergence I am expecting on the chart, will it be confirmed? That means will it occur and the market is going to move to the upside, or you think the market is going to break this level of support and then move to the upside to this level of 25 and 24k dollars? Comment below in the comment section of this video. And if you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for all that educational content. Leave a like and don't forget to share this video. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.